Alright, so in this video, we're once again solving a system of equations, and we want to know for what values x1, x2, and x3, if any, make all of these equations true. And so our first step here is to look at this and to write out the augmented matrix form of this. And so what we have is a 4x4 augmented matrix, say -2, -3, 0, 1, 1, -2, 1, 0, -4, -7, 0, 2, and then a final column of 3, -3, 4, 0. And as usual, our goal is to find a reduced row echelon form of this. And again, as usual, we're not going to do this by hand. So let's pop over, let's go back to Sage here, and let's enter in our 4 rows. So there's -2, 1, -4, 3. Then the next row, -3, -2, -7, -3, 0, 1, 0, 4, and our last row, 1, 0, 2, 0. And so when all is said and done, we have our reduced row echelon form, which is pretty much just 1s across the diagonal and 0 everywhere else. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, line, boop, 0. Okay, so coming back here, we're looking at this as a reduced row echelon form. So if I were to interpret this augmented matrix as a system of equations, what I would see is, hey, x1 has to be 0, x2 has to be 0, x3 has to be 0, and x4 has to be, or sorry, there's no x4, and this last row is telling me that 0 has to be 1. Well, that's curious, because it is not possible for 0 to be 1, right? And so what we're looking for as a set of solutions is all values x1, x2, and x3 such that these 4 equations are true. Well, there is no such value, because no matter what x1, x2, and x3 are, 0 is not going to be 1. In fact, I could pretty much not care about any of this up here. And just looking at that row, I know that there are no values that can make that true. So however you want to express this, you can say the empty set, the set with nothing in it, none, whatever you want to say. There are no solutions to this system. All right, thank you very much.